In this video, we will see how to install CentOS 7. CentOS 7 OS media is available on centos.org. Here I am installing CentOS 7 on my virtual machine. Now I am booting from the CentOS media and select install CentOS 7. Now we are in language selection window. Select the desired one. Now we are in installation summary. Select date and time zone as per your requirement. Now we are selecting the software packages. There are multiple packages available. I am selecting minimal installation. Here key dump is for the kernel level dumping mechanism. It will be useful when OS getting crashing. Now select network and hostname. Set the hostname whatever you required. I have select the IP address from the DHCP. You may change the setting to manual as per your requirement. Also you can configure the IP address post installation of the CentOS. Now we are creating the partition. As per edit document, web partition recommended if RAM is less than 2 GB, then it will be 2 times of the RAM. Here I am setting boot partition size as 4 GB. Root partition as 150 GB. As already told, in this virtual machine I have 2 GB RAM. So I am setting swap partition as 4 GB. Now I am creating one mount point called data/data, and I am assigning remaining space to it. Now accept the changes and click on begin installation. Security profile is for the configuring the security to secure our CentOS 7. Now click on begin installation. In this window you can set the username and you also create the additional user as per your requirement. Here I am setting the password of the root account. I am creating the additional user and make it as a administrator. The installation has been completed. Click on reboot. Now OS is booting. Now I am logging with the my credential. You may see the partition using LSBLK. Thanks for watching the video.